For today's lesson, we are going to discuss how to create and manage your lists on spellingcity.com. When you first log in, you're going to have your teacher toolbox, and you should automatically go to your list management page. If you are not already on your list management page, you just click the list management button. Because this is your first time using this site, you will not have any lists down here to manage. So we're going to talk about how to create a new list first. You just click the create a new list button. Name your list. I'm going to do long A words. And you select the grade level, it's 4. Type a short description. And then you can add your words. You can just type the words and click enter and it'll jump to the next line. Or if you already know how many words you want, you can add as many blank boxes as you need. Then you can choose what order you want the words in, the way that they're entered, if you want them in alphabetical order or a random order, and whether or not you want the list to publish. Then you click Save. Then it'll pop up your words, and you can add sentences or definitions for the word. And there are often more than one choice you can have. So you can change the definition if you'd like, and check that the sentence makes sense. Okay, if you see that there's not a sentence that you'd like, you can edit the sentence. Instead of I'll decorate a birthday cake with candles, you can write a new sentence. I want a chocolate cake for and save it. And it will change your sentence. When you're going through your words, you'll see that maybe you made a mistake, so you can delete it. And then at the bottom, you can add more words. You can add base. Then you click add these words, and it'll pop right in. Then once again, you get to choose your word order and whether or not you want your list to be published. And you save it. And then on your list management page, you'll have your list, long A words. The yes means that it's published, which means that students can see it. Later, you can go back in and edit the list. You can print it. You can delete it. You can assign it to a group, but this is a premium feature, and so we're not discussing that in this lesson. You can also choose to play a game with your list. When you go to my home page, it will show all of the lists that you have published. So if you decide that they're not ready for the long A words yet, you can go back to your list management page, unpublish it, and then when you go back to your home page, you'll see that that list is no longer there. You can also use pre-created lists and add them to your page. You go to Teaching Resources, and then they have Useful Word Lists. Maybe you're going to be having a geography lesson coming up. So you can go to the Geography list, and maybe you want the list of the United States states. So you can import that list, and it will appear in your list management and also on your home page. The nice thing about setting up your list in Spelling City is that anyone in your class can find your list. So your students can go to the Find a List, and they can search for your name, and it will pop up, that's me at my school. So when I click it, it'll bring up my list of words that I want them to use. And that's how you use the list management function and create and edit your spelling lists on spellingcity.com.